everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Sopa de Verduras soup. It's a vegetable soup. I've been dying to share this recipe with you guys because it's such a delicious recipe and it is also very easy to make. The vegetables that I have here for today, these are my choice. These are the ones that I like to use, but if you guys have any other ideas of vegetables that you guys want to use, you guys can do that. For today's veggies, I chose carrots, broccoli, kale, this is called cabbage, and some celery sticks, and spinach. Okay, so we're gonna need these vegetables to make the soup. Also, we're gonna need the chicken flavor, nutritious, and we're gonna need a couple tomatoes. Here I have 4 tomatoes and a piece of onion. This is gonna be used to make the sauce for the soup. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I already went ahead and I prepped the veggies, and let's see, I'm gonna show you guys. I have all the veggies here. What I did, I finally cut everything to small pieces so it's easier for it to cook in my pot, including the cabbage. The carrots, I put them in whole because this is a pretty good size for soup. And in this pot, it's a 4-quart pot, and what I did, I put half of it is filled with water, because we're going to use more water in our blender to make the sauce, and that's kind of where the magic comes in. I'm going to start by putting all my veggies in here, and let's see if you guys can tell. You're going to come in closer. So I'm going to add all my veggies in here. I like the soup because it's very easy to make, like I said, and it's, I don't know, I like eating it when I make like a tuna sandwich or like a light snack, and it's very nutritious. So I'm gonna take this over to the stove so I can start cooking. I'm gonna put it on medium heat. Okay, so we're gonna start with that. And then the next step is to do our sauce. So I'm gonna add my tomatoes. These are very soft and tender, so I'm just gonna add them whole. If they weren't, I would cut them in half. And I'm gonna add my piece of onion. Oops. And a tablespoon of nutritious, okay? And this is the chicken flavor. Just to give it that nice brothy taste. We're not gonna add our sauce into the soup until the soup comes to a boil, but I like to have it ready. Okay, that's pretty fast. I'm gonna let the soup come to a boil, and then we'll return to see, so I can show you guys how to add the tomato-based sauce into the soup, okay? Okay, so our soup is ready. It took 15 minutes to come to a boil. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna add the tomato sauce to this. In my blender, I had 3 cups of water, and I might not use all of it, and I mean, I'm using to dispose of it, but this is how much I got. So I'm gonna see how much I'm gonna use in here. We're gonna mix it in with what we already do have. And this needs, okay, so it looks like I'm using the whole thing. That's good. We're gonna let this come to a second boil. And when it finally does come to a boil, that means that our soup is ready. But look at that beautiful broccoli and the color and the broth. That's what's gonna be the good part. Okay, and then we're gonna cover it up. Okay, so it looks like our soup is ready. I'm gonna turn it off. It came to its final boil. It took about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna turn this off. And you guys can see here, we have this delicious soup, and I'm gonna have some for lunch. Normally what I do, I like making the soup, I like making enough of the soup for the week so I could have some for lunch. Part of being a modern mom is having things, or multitasking. So what I do, I meal prep my meals for the week, and this is one of my favorite ones to do because I put it on, small Tupperwares, and throughout the week I just grab and go, and I'm good to go. So hopefully you guys try this recipe out and like it. Make sure that you guys comment and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have many more recipes coming, so stay tuned. I'm gonna enjoy this for lunch right now. I'll see you guys soon, okay? Provecho.